Yeah, Mike, this cloud of smoke is so massive. My photographer and I could actually see it from about 20 miles down the highway on our way here. Let me step. These flames look to be at least 40 feet high, and they are spreading across this land here. I talked with a firefighter on the scene who says they aren't quite sure how the flame started, but he said the fire is spreading so quickly because of how high these winds are, and I'm sure you can tell by the trees blowing and just seeing how fast this smoke is moving. He said right now their mission is to protect all of these homes right here, and you can see there's a couple homeowners nervously looking on, but they have not evacuated yet. I talked with the Weatherford fire chief about 30 minutes ago on the phone, and he said the evacuation order is for the area between 2330 and 2340 north of I-40, and said right now there is no evacuation order for city residents of Weatherford. He actually just got onto the scene here, and I'm going to talk with him in a few minutes and get some more information for you guys, but now I'll send it back to you.